If you like the look of the new Volkswagen Tiguan but need an extra pair of seats in the back, this is the answer to your prayers, the new Volkswagen Tiguan. If you've never heard the name Tiguan, that's because it used to be a model exclusive to the Chinese market. This new one, on the other hand, will be sold in Europe, and it replaces the old Tiguan AllSpace. Alternatives include the Nissan X-Trail, Skoda Kodiaq and Peugeot 5008. New Volkswagen Tayron design. You may have been expecting the new Volkswagen Tayron to simply look like a stretched version of the Tiguan. While the two cars do look very similar, the new 7-seater does have a slightly different face and some unique design cues. The slim headlights and full-width light bar across the bonnet is a feature taken from the Tiguan, but the Tayron's lamps don't flick up into the front wings. This car is around 10'10" wider than the Tiguan as well, giving it a slightly more imposing stance. It's also 230 long, longer to accommodate that extra row of seats in the back. However, the overall shape is still Tiguan-ish. It has a more sporty-looking sloping roofline compared to a Hyundai Santa Fe, and alloy wheels start at 17 inches, rising to 19s on higher-spec models. Moving to the rear, this car has a full-width tail light assembly, which is almost the same as the Tiguan's. It does have a different LED light signature, but beyond this it's difficult to tell the two cars apart from the back. New Volkswagen Tiguan interior and infotainment. Just like the exterior, the interior of the new Volkswagen Tayron is subtly different to the Tiguan in a few key ways. The two cars share a similar gloss black panel across the dashboard, with some intricate ambient lighting. However, the Tayron has an additional trim strip underneath which curves up at the end. And this can be finished in a classy-looking wood veneer. The center console is also very close to the Tiguan's in terms of design, with both cars sharing the multifunction knob, which can be used to control your volume, driving modes and ambient lighting. Sat atop the dashboard is the same 12.9-inch touchscreen as you'll find in other VW models, although it can be upgraded to a 15.0-inch system. A 10.25-inch digital driver's display is also standard across the range. Of course, the main reason you'll buy the Tayron over the Tiguan is for the added interior space. This is the second largest SUV, which Volkswagen sells in Europe, with the Touareg remaining the biggest on offer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.